Confianza is a very positive word. Let's find out what it means. Hi everyone, the Spanish word of the day is confianza. Confianza. This is a Spanish noun and it means trust or confidence. Confianza is a feminine noun, so you can say la confianza or una confianza. And there isn't a plural form, so you only have to say confianza. Now let's see a few examples using this word. Has traicionado mi confianza. Has traicionado mi confianza. Ella es una persona de mi confianza. Ella es una persona de mi confianza. Tengo plena confianza en ti. Tengo plena confianza en ti. I believe in you. Esa persona no me da mucha confianza. Esa persona no me da mucha confianza. Tengo confianza de que todo estará bien. Tengo confianza de que todo estará bien. Okay, that was the word of the day. I hope you like this video and I hope you have confianza to leave me more examples down below using confianza. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons and support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching this video, for all your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye!